EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for November 19th, 2019 for your Tuesday. Expecting a mix of clouds and sun today in the wake of that coastal system that largely remained well offshore and provided minimal impacts across our region. Just a lot of clouds and drizzle. Some areas had a little bit of shower activity last evening and parts of the overnight, but that is now pulling away into New England, and we are left with a mix of clouds and sun today. Will be milder today and through the end of this week, so we're expecting temperatures on either side of 50 straight through Friday before a cold front ruins the party. This little system out here that's in the Midwest is going to come through overnight. It's not going to have much of any precipitation with it at all. As a matter of fact, when it gets over a region, we're not expecting anything, but there could be an increase in clouds with that overnight. So we're going with mostly cloudy skies overnight, but then back to partly cloudy here on Wednesday, with, again, temperatures in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees across the region. So still on the milder side, or at least milder compared to what we've had recently. It's still technically very slightly below average, but you wouldn't be able to tell with all the very cold temperatures we've had of late. And then once we get into Thursday, we're expecting the day to start off partly cloudy, then clouds are going to increase late in the day. We have this weak system moving toward the region. It could provide a few showers kind of later at night. It looks like on Thursday, maybe late evening it comes in some areas in our western counties. And then it's going to work its way eastward. Just a few showers with this, not a lot of precipitation, but this is the actual cold front that it has with it. It's going to bring in some cooler temperatures. Now, this is very interesting because we will have a few rain showers again continuing on Friday. Just hit or miss stuff. And favoring the morning hours, okay? And then this cold front comes through, and then we have this wave here that we have to watch because some models here, actually most of them now, are showing this wave coming through the region and possibly having a wintry side to it. So we have to keep a close eye on this. Doesn't look like a big deal overall, but it does have a few rain and snow showers, a rain-snow mix, or maybe some icy conditions with this. This will be on Saturday and continuing to Saturday night. Okay, so we'll have to keep a close eye on this. The precipitation type maps, if I can switch to that, the precipitation type map does show on the European model some icing, but a little bit further to the north. That's shown here, and you can see that across the northern half of Pennsylvania, some icing here because the primary low is over northwest Pennsylvania, and then the system pulls away. Again, further south, it would just be showers in this scenario, and then maybe a little ice and snow up in New England again. But the GFS that just came in this evening, as we get to that image, I want to get to that precipitation type map here. It's a little bit further south with it, and this has been consistently south with this system and has finally started to come north now on this latest run, and you can see some icing and some snow a little bit further south than the European model has it because the low pressure itself is further south. So obviously it's something we have to keep an eye on going late in the week. It's not a big storm, but it will be enough to cause a little bit of some issues across some areas in either one of these scenarios for different locations. So we'll keep a close eye on that. That would be Saturday and Saturday night. It does look like it's going to pull away for Sunday, though, and Sunday's back to partly cloudy, and temperatures are going to go back into the lower 40s here on Saturday for highs. 30s where it's we have the icing, and then Sunday you're back in the mid 40s again, and then we get a mostly sunny day behind this and go back up into on Monday and go back up into close to 50 degrees again. So just have to watch Saturday this week. I think that's our only real issues that we could possibly have with some icing, as you can see here, or maybe some little rain-snow mix or something like that. So we do have to listen to the local forecast. Continue to follow us throughout the week. We'll have updates in the system as the week progresses. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 19th, 2019. Have a great